Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make potassium fertilizer from banana peels. First, understand that banana peels are packed with essential nutrients like potassium, phosphorus, and calcium. These elements are crucial for your plants, helping them develop strong stems, healthy roots, and vibrant blooms. By repurposing your banana peels, you can create a fantastic, natural fertilizer, reducing waste and nurturing your garden organically. It's a simple and rewarding way to boost plant health. One effective method is creating a dried banana peel powder. Begin by washing your banana peels and cutting them into small pieces, about 1 inch in size. Next, dry these pieces completely until they are brittle and crunchy. You can use natural sunlight, a low oven setting, or a food dehydrator. Once dry, grind them into a fine powder using a blender or coffee grinder. Sprinkle 1 to 2 tablespoons around your plants for a slow, steady nutrient release. Another popular method is making a nutrient-rich banana peel tea. Place 3 to 5 banana peels into 1 quart of water and let them steep for 2 to 7 days. For a quicker option, you can boil the peels in water for about 30 minutes, then allow the mixture to cool. After straining out the peels, dilute the liquid with plain water at a 1:4 ratio. Use this liquid to water the base of your plants, providing an immediate nutrient boost. When applying your homemade fertilizer, focus on plants that benefit most from potassium, such as flowering and fruiting varieties like tomatoes, peppers, and roses. For the powder, sprinkle 1 to 2 tablespoons around the plant base every few weeks. For the tea, water your plants with the diluted solution on a similar schedule. Keep in mind that banana peels are low in nitrogen, so consider adding a nitrogen source if your plants require it for balanced growth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.